welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a 3-look, 1 palette. And for the palette, I did the Charles X Morphe because there's so many great options and it has a lot of variety for colors. And then for the first look, I stuck with more of the purpley neutral color. I'd just like to say that this formula is amazing. I've never owned anything from Morphe until I bought this palette, and honestly, I wasn't even going to buy this palette. But my boyfriend convinced me because he was like, hey, there's a lot of shades. And I was like, you're right. To start off, I took the shade Canvas to set my eyelids, and then I went in with the shade Boutique for my crease. And then I took the shade No Beans and I put that in my crease as well, but mostly focused it in the outer corner. And then I went in with the shade Love That, and I just stuck that above my crease. As you can probably notice, I cut my crease and then I added the shade Shook onto my eyelid. That's it for the first look. I hope you enjoyed it. Now for the second look, I added way more color. To start off, I primed my lids with the Urban Decay primer potion, and then I just took a neutral skin color shade from the Charles palette. To start off, I chose the very bright pink at the end of the corner. I'm sorry, I don't know the name, but when I do, I'll add it. And honestly, I thought this look was going to turn out so bad because I had no idea what I was doing. But in the end, I think it looks good. I don't know. Let me comment down below and let me know how I did with this colorful look. I love adding different colors to my eyelids, but at the same time I feel like it's so much harder to like blend and stuff. But as you can see, I put the pink just a little bit on the crease, and then I took some yellow and popped that into the corner of my eyelids. I have no idea why I did that, but I was like, maybe that will do something, and it did. And then I went back in with more pink to make the color pop out more, and then on the end of my eye, the corner, the crease, I don't know what it's called. The end of my eye, I added a reddish burnt orange shade, and then I blended that with the pink. And then for the top of my lid, I added this really pretty bright blue shade. And then I blended that I blended more pink and red into it so it didn't look super harsh. Not gonna lie, this look was very weird for me to do and kind of out there, but in the end, I'm happy the way it turned out. It's kind of funky, but I think it worked. And for my final look, I went with more of the brown shades and golden shades. As you can see, I really love cutting my crease. Honestly, I just started doing this and I wanted to practice because before I really sucked at it and I think I'm getting better. I know my wings aren't the best. I'm still trying to figure out how to do them. I haven't done winged eyeliner since I was like in my emo phase in middle school. So don't kill me in the comments. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what your thoughts were, and also subscribe. And if you want to take anything from this video, watch your makeup brushes because they're probably dirty and you need to do it. And also, just have fun with your makeup because no one can tell you that you can't do that.